Okay, this is step number 2 for the same case. I'm going to show you the seating of the denture after some adjustments have been done, and we're going to go back and see that we're going to do more adjustments. So the first adjustment that I see needs to be done is more on the retromolar pad area, although this is an area of compression, but I find that anterior to it there is no seating. So even if I compress tissue, I don't over compress it. Okay, so I think you will need more reduction here. This area, sorry, the reduction is here because we have non-seated. See the anterior area? This is the retromolar pad area. Retromolar pad areas are area of compression, but this is over compression. Why do I know? Because the anterior to it is not seated. Okay, so you need a bit more on this side and slightly here to this side. Okay, when you asked me about the lingual undercuts in the lingual pouch, I told you try to avoid them. We will leave them for last. Okay, we're looking for other reasons of unseating. There's another reason for unseating here. You can see it's prominent in the anterior area and the anterior slope. This is hazardous to the patient. Even if there is an undercut, I don't leave the lower part of the undercut engaged. It's the upper part that gives me the retention. So closer to the sulcus, I mean, because this is upwards now. It's inverse. I mean, the idea is if I have an undercut engagement, the undercut towards the ridge will cause a lot of trauma. Okay, the lower half towards the ridge. Now the area towards the sulcus, I will leave it. Okay, this is displaced a little bit. Okay, let me just show you. Okay, the area else that I have pressure. Let's see this area of pressure. Okay, I'm going to need to remove it, and the area of pressure here. This is too much pressure on this side, okay? Okay, this area. So this triangle, you're going to color it and then reduce from it. Now, how much do I reduce? Do I keep reducing? Suppose there's an area of compression and I need to reduce it. You keep reducing until you find that the thickness of acrylic is enough, okay? Because more than that, it will be thinned out. I need to add acrylic on the other side, on the polished surface. So if I'm removing a lot from the inside on the fitting surface, it will thin out. So keep removing until you find that the acrylic needs addition. You need to add from the polished surface. Okay. So where are the areas once more? This area of compression is heavy. I'm going to leave this till the end, I told you, because we need the bone retention from here. But we need, so we're engaging some undercuts and leaving some undercuts. There is an overextension slightly here from this side to this side. The fitting surface here is still, see this area? This is an area of pressure. And the slope towards the ridge crest is here. I want to reduce it. And these lines here, reaching to this area, I'll need to reduce it, all of this area, okay? And try to have your final fitting surface smooth and round.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.